travelers, how are you today? It's a new video today, and today's video is how to sleep like a pro during a flight. So welcome to my channel, I'm Anaïs. If you are new here and if my positive vibes resonate with you, go to subscribe right now, hit the bell for new notification of my new video, put a thumbs up, it will definitely help me for my channel, and welcome.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my...
Few items I will advise you to bring if you got a long flight and you have to sleep, and usually you don't have a long flight, you'll be jet lag. It's very important to rest. So the first item I definitely bring on my luggage, it's a neck pillow. So that one I bought it a few years ago on Amazon. I love that one, very comfortable. You got even a pocket to put your phone when you listen to some music, and they have this to put your pillow back when you finish to use it. It's very comfortable. I would definitely advise, this is an item, a neck pillow you really need to have for a long flight. I did that mistake in my first travel when I went to California. I didn't have those. It was my first travel. My neck hurt so bad the next day. So definitely advise that item to make sure to be comfortable, to don't be in pain with you. The next items you really need, it's eye mask. Use those because there are some lights during the flight, even it's dark in there, but if you're very light sensitive, or if someone working with or watching a movie, if you want to sleep, use those. So I got a normal one, a black one, but I found that one a few years ago, not even a few years ago, it was 10 years ago. I love that one, do not disturb. And I think it's very thoughtful, but it means a lot. So yeah, have an eye mask to make sure you have a good sleep. Use it. There are lots on the market, even on internet. So find the one you really loved. Find the one you really love. And to get comfy, it's very important to be very comfortable when you sleep. The next items, hair plugs. Hair plugs is very useful when you have a long flight to try to don't have a lot of noise. Try to get through this. It really depends which flight you are. Sometimes, usually it's very calm. Never had trouble even with kids, but sometimes just a baby can cry during the night. It's a human being, it's definitely normal. So hair plugs, just in case. Take it with you, just in case. If you use it, definitely alright. If you don't, but just in case, if you really need those. The next things I will advise you to have, it's a little pillow. It didn't take too much place. I got that one in London. It was years ago. I was 15, something like that. And yeah, something didn't really take much space that you could put your head on it. Yeah, that's something to have during a long flight. To be very comfy, comfortable, and like you're in the bed. Usually, in my experience, during a long flight, you have blankets on your seat, on the aircraft, but I will advise you to take a huge scarf. That one is wool. I got another black one, it's cashmere, that you can take with you, and with the other blankets. Usually those blankets are very thin. Usually is enough, but if you are kind of cold, it's winter is coming, so I will advise you take a scarf with you, and very long. You can cover your body, and just cover your body, put your pillow, and just be very comfy. And yes, last things, it's wearing comfy clothes. So I will really advise, don't wear jeans. jeans could be very tight. It's not good to your blood pressure during a long flight. So don't wear jeans. Take a trousers or even a run, jogs. Wear comfy, very comfy and very smooth clothes. Wear silk, wool, even hoodies is very comfortable. So this is my advice. And one more thing, during a long flight that you can't sleep, I will advise drink a lot of water. Drink water, have some snacks. You can bring some snacks. That's definitely fine. Put on your suitcase, take it on your seat, take some snack. And I know sometimes it can be stressful when you travel, but try to avoid alcohol in a certain time. Just my advice. No judgments. I really love to drink a few drinks. That's no problem, but at least drink a lot of water. And yeah, those are my advice that you can sleep like a pro during your traveling. I hope you like that. Today's video is gonna help you to have a good sleep, even more when you get jet lag. And that was today's video. Please consider to subscribe, hit the bell, put the thumbs up for my channel, and I will see you soon, travelers. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Enjoy your October.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby